to my W.H.I-Why channel. I am Rikus, aka Why Boy, and welcome to our special guest Anthony, aka Why Friend.
Hello everybody!
Today our experiment will make us jump, cause it's so cool.
Go grab some balloons, moms, vinegar and baking soda.
And a funnel.
Before we begin, be safe and supervised by the old folks.
Take the balloon and put it over the funnel.
Done.
Now take the baking soda and transfer it into the funnel and into the balloon.
Done.
Remove the balloon from the funnel. Put the balloon over the bottom.
This is the hard part. I can't. My experiment. Why? Still trying. Still trying. Still trying. Done.
Now pull it up that it can work.
It's floating up. Yay! It's floating up. It's floating up. Yay! Wow! Wow! It's floating!
It's a gas balloon because it's floating in the air. There's gas. Bye guys. See you guys next time. Please subscribe and
Leave a like.